Hi, Kipsters. It's Miss Hudson, and it is time for our math lesson. Before we get started, I wanted to shout out some friends in Notre Dame. I want to shout out Matthew, Zion, David, Jalen, Adonis, and Tiana. You guys rock. I am so proud of the work that we've been seeing. You've been sending in videos and pictures, and we are so proud of you. And I want to also shout out my friend Hank, who's been tuning in and watching every day. Great job, friends. All right, guys. So today, the only thing that you'll need, just like yesterday, is your listening ears, your laser-focused eyes. And if you have Legos to follow along, you can use them, but it's not required today, okay? So last time we were together, we completed this chart, and we were doing one more, right? So we had 10, one more was 10-1 or 11. One more is 12 or 10-2. One more is 10-3 or 13, and then we went all the way up to 20, right? You guys remember that? Well, today we're going to do one less. So we're starting with 20 or 2 10s, and then we're going down. So 20, one less is 19. 19, one less is 18. 18 or 10 eights, one less is 17. 17 or 10 sevens, one less is 16. 16 or 10 6, one less is 10 5 or 15. 15, one less is 14 or 10 4. 14, one less is 13 or 3 10s. And 13, one less is 12 or 10 2. And one less is 11 or 10-1. And then, of course, we have 10 here. All right? So that's what we're focusing on today, is doing one less. All right, guys. So our chart that we're going to be working with today looks like this. All right? And some of the numbers are already filled in for us. But first thing we're going to do is write the missing numbers and then draw the X's and O's to complete the pattern, okay? So yesterday we made a pattern that looked like this. Today our pattern will be with X's and O's, all right? So let me just grab my marker. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at these numbers here, and we're going to write one less, all right? So 20, one less would be what? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, 10 7, 10 8, 10 9. So we write the number 10 9 or 19 right there. All right. Now we can fill in the numbers because we know our numbers. 20, 19, 18. The next number would be 17. 16. What's the next number? One less. 15. 14, 13, 12. One less than 12 is 11. And then finally 10. All right. So now that we've filled in our numbers, we can go ahead and make our pattern with the X's and O's. All right. So for 20 and 19, it was already given to us. We need to make the X's and O's for 18. That's what we're going to do right now. All right. Just getting my board. Here we go. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to draw the 10 circles for numbers 1 through 10. So you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we have to count on. Remember, we're trying to get to 10 8. So we can count. We're switching our marker and we're switching to X's. 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, 10 7, 10 8. All right, you guys see that? 19, one less than 19 is 18, or 10 9, one less is 10 8. All right, 17 is already done for us. Now we can do 16. 16 is one less than 17. Let's first draw our circles. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we can switch our marker. And remember, we're counting on. We're trying to get to 16. All right? 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6. 17, 1 less is 16. All right, 16, 1 less is 15. And 15 is already filled in for us, so we don't need to do anything right there. But 15, 1 less is, what do you think? 14. All right, let's go ahead and draw our 10 circles first, and then we're going to count on to get to 14. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we switch to X, and we say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. 15, 1 less is 14 or 10, 4. All right, next, 14, 1 less is 13 or 10, 3. So let's count to get to 10, 3. First, let's draw our circles to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's switch it up. Remember, we're trying to get to 10, 3 or 13. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. Great job. 14, 1 less is 13. 13, 1 less is 12 or 10, 2. All right, let's draw our circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, counting on. 10, 1, 10, 2. 12 or 10, 2. All right, and then 12, 1 less is 11. 11 is already filled in for us, so we don't need to do anything right there. But lastly, we're now at the number 10, and we can draw our 10 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends. We are all done with our graph, and now we can see that we have the pink circles, 1 through 10, and then we have the blue, and this graph looks very similar to this graph, all right? This one we did 1 more. This one we did 1 less. All right, one last thing I want to do with you guys before we get done for the day is, one second. Where is it? One second, guys. We're going to fill in the missing number. All right, we're just going to write it. So I'm not sure what happened to my paper. All right, here we go. So I'm going to write a number, and then we're going to fill in the missing number. So here we have 15. All right, I want to know what number goes there. So if we're counting down from 15, what's 1 less? 15, 1 less. Let's go back to our chart. If I'm here, 15, 1 less is 14. So that's the number that I'm going to write here. 14. All right, let's do another set. 16. All right, let's figure out what's 1 less. So we have 16. 16, 1 less, and I'm going to use my chart that we made. 16 is here. 1 less is 15. I'm going to write 15 here. 1 less is 14. 1 less than 14 is 13. 13, 1 less is 12. 12, 1 less is 11. All right, guys, so what I want you guys to work on tonight and tomorrow for me until I see you next time is counting things around the house and deciding what's 1 less. So if you're eating your cereal and you're counting how many pieces of cereal you have in your bowl, I want you to eat one and then figure out how many you have left. So if you eat one, that's one less, all right? If you have Legos, count your Legos. Take one away, that's one less. So if you have 15 Legos and you take one away, you now have 14, all right? Keep counting, keep taking pictures and videos and send them to your teachers. Bye, see you guys tomorrow.